In this video, we'll show you how to replace the electrodes in your DBTek Fusion Splicer step by step. Go to the Maintenance menu, select Replace Electrodes and press OK. The splicer will shut down automatically. Prepare new electrodes from the set you purchased. Remove the protective cover and gently take out the LED lights that illuminate the electrodes. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw holding the electrode. Remove the old electrode and place the new one in its position. Always replace electrodes as a set, never change only one and leave the other old. Both must be replaced at the same time for proper performance. Put the LED tape back in place and close the protective cover. Repeat the process with the second electrode. Turn on the splicer and wait for the electrode discharge message. Close the lid, press Set, and wait for the required number of arc counts. During this time, the splicer is cleaning and adapting to the new electrodes. This is a critical step. Do not skip or interrupt it. The next step is to stabilize the electrodes. Prepare a fiber cable and place it in the splicer. Then press Set and wait until the process is complete. The DBTek Splicer completes a splice in just 5 seconds, helping you work more efficiently. With a 13-second heating time, your splices are protected and ready fast, keeping your workflow smooth. Its high-capacity battery supports up to 450 splice and heat cycles on a single charge, perfect for long field operations. Your splicer is now calibrated and ready to work, with the same precision as the day you bought it. Always remember to perform arc calibration whenever there's a change in environment, like temperature or humidity. This ensures your electrodes will always perform reliably, without any issues. For more tutorials and helpful tips, follow our profile and explore our full range of splicing guides.